Hi guys, we are continuing with our day 4 solutions for InfyTQ selected problems, and we are now in the third problem for our set of problems, and we are in the 20th problem overall. In this problem, it is a much more simpler one where we have to check whether a particular string is a palindrome or not. So you know that in a palindrome string, the half of the strings are mirror images of each other. Okay. So in order to check that, we had already done that using numbers, I guess. So we would be just repeating it with the string. We have to start with both ends of the string, means the starting end and the ending end, and we have to compare it character by character till we reach the middle. Or if any character does not match, we can return that it is not a palindrome. We do not continue till the half of the string for when the character does not match. So this is a much more simpler program to do. So let's go into our PyCharm and let's start coding this. So create a new Python file as problem 20, and let's write a function as def is underscore palindrome, and let's pass in the parameter word. So we have to check whether the given word is a palindrome or not. So what we have to do, we have to traverse till the half of the string, okay, half of the word. So we have to first calculate the length of the word, and we have to find out what is the half. So half is equal to, that is, we need to traverse till the half. Obviously we need to know the half. So it would be length of the word, and since we need not need any decimal value, so we can perform integral division on it. That is, length of the word integral division of 2. So we are getting the value of half, and we can run our for loop now from the starting till the half, and that would be in the same case for the reverse also. So for I in, we would be starting from 0 and we would be going till the half of the string. Okay, that is, we are covering the first half of the string, and as we go on I will show you how to fetch the reverse half of the string. Okay, for I in range half. So let me make sure that this half is the concept of half is clear to you. For example, if it is madam, the length of the string is 5. 5 divided by 2 gives me 2. So I would be going till 0 and 1. Okay, so I'm covering this particular half and this particular half, and I can see that these both are equal, so this would be a palindrome. And if it is a 4-letter word, 4 by 2 gives me 2. So I guess we would have to go half plus 1 in order to check that, right? So it would be half plus 1. Otherwise, in case it is MABM, no, since it is a 4-letter word, so the half is 2, and we are going to traverse from the indexes 0 and 1. So yeah, we need not provide plus 1 here. It's just half is fine here. So 0 and 1 and 0 and 1 and from the reverse. So I guess this would do our comparison successfully. So let's just compare. If word of I is equal to word of minus I plus 1, we can also, instead of minus I plus 1, we can also provide this len of word minus I plus 1. But since in Python we can do negative indexing in order to traverse a string from the back, so I'm doing -I plus 1. If they are equal, so if we are checking for equal, so are we checking for equal or not equal? In case of equal, we would still have to continue with the loop, but in case of not equal, we can just skip the loop and return that it is not a palindrome, right? So much more better condition to check would be if the letters are not equal. So if they are not equal, I can directly return that it is not a palindrome, right? And if the entire loop is completed without returning, so it is obviously a palindrome, so I can return palindrome. So let's just run our code. Let's take in W as the input from the user, that where the user will provide any particular string. Enter your word, and W is equal to input, enter your word. And with W we have to first pass it into a function, that is into the function that is palindrome. I guess I have misspelled palindrome here. It's palindrome. It's palindrome, right? PALINDROME. And that's why the ID was telling me that there was a spelling mistake there. So let's just print is underscore palindrome and pass in the parameter W. And let's just run our code. So let's first try with some palindrome words. So ma'am is a palindrome, as you can see. Wow is a palindrome. Let's check ABBA. It's also a palindrome. Let's just check for a non-palindrome word, that is ABCA. Yes, I'm getting not a palindrome. So we have successfully completed this code, and I guess we can pass any of the test cases that are provided. So thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next one.